Alright, they see me with the red cup. They know what's in the red cup. Look! Ooh. Oh, they're getting excited. Can't wait. The anticipation. Go get it! Let me see. Guess what I'm doing today? Oh yes, today is a good dumpster diving day. And I have landed the truck all by myself on the mainland. So let's go see what we can find. It has really been quite a while since I've done this. Oh! Empty! Sometimes they put things, I've definitely found things in the recycle bin before. Not this time. Next one. Coming up on Dollar General. This is the one that has been a little bit more impossible for me to get into. Only because there's typically trucks out here all the time, or somebody out here on a break or something. Let's see what I can do. Turn this around a little bit. There's just a lot of rainwater at the bottom. I'm not bothering with this one. It's also stinky. Let's see what else we can find. Alright, we are checking another Dollar General. And this is typically my go-to. For those of you that have followed my dumpster diving videos, you will know that I usually get all kinds of goodies out of this dumpster. However, it's been a lot of rain. I don't even know what the pickup schedules are anymore. I'm keeping hope though. We might find something good. And I tell you what, I love those after penny sale bags. It'd be nice if there was a few of those in here. Ooh, look at that display. Let's see. Guys, once again, there's nothing. Ah, gross. Nothing. Some days there is, some days there isn't. But alright, we'll go to the next one. Don't give up hope. We will find something. Dollar store. Dollar Tree, actually. Let's see if there is anything in there. I am gonna set this down while I take a quick peek. We quite possibly might have a few things floating around in here. I don't know if it's a goodie bag in it. Doesn't really look like a goodie bag. It's kind of free floating trash, but ooh. Dish detergent. Nice. my gloves. I'm sorry, but I forgot them. Probably be tossing the rest back. Let's see what else we can find here. Looks like there might be a goodie bag right there. Big bag in here. Tons of bread. All kinds of bread in there. I really want to get to that bag over there. Hey, don't you all think for a second that because I'm now sporting a head covering and skirts that I can't pull it up and still get in here? Oh, trust me, I will too. Well, 3 dumpsters and we've managed to find a bottle of dish soap and some tall kitchen bags. Woohoo! Now, since I have given you guys the most boring dumpster dive in history, at least on my channel, I went ahead and I did some grocery shopping, and I thought it would be fun to find out actually how much kosher products I could get from the local food lion. This was fun. Pretty much I'm going to be living just like a vegan, except for the exception of some Hebrew International. I can't wait to share my haul with you guys. Hey, we're going to turn this video into something fun. I don't really like you. I mean, I never really wanted much of a relationship with you. I'm sorry. I don't typically go for your kind. I mean, I know that we hung out once or twice, like at a baseball game. And there was this one time when I was pregnant with Julie and I really wanted us to hang out. But ever since then, I'm sorry, I can't handle this relationship. But now we're being forced together, so let's make the best of it. Guess what? You're getting sauerkraut. Hot dogs are just not my thing. But if that's all we got, that's all we got. Alright, but I will take the time to show you guys how I have my refrigerator set up. I've got a whole bunch of fresh eggs all the time from the chickens. I've got my fresh fruits, vegetables. I go through a lot of avocados and tomatoes. I've got my bread basket, my millions of it's vegan, can't believe it's not butter because it's awesome. This is what I'm keeping my meat in. Just put in that section. And down here I actually have my carb options, which means there's no meat, there's no animal byproducts whatsoever. So I've got my my smart ground, got some tofu. These things I love. The tempeh. This 3-grain one has the type of consistency, or I should say texture, that I actually really like. Tastes really good with some teriyaki and put a little on the grill or whatever. There's a lot of things you can do. Rice. And this is my dairy drawer. So I've got all my dairy stuff in there, and then I've got a whole lot more vegetables down below. So that's how I'm operating my food in the refrigerator. Hello, good morning. Hello, every freeloading duck in the neighborhood. And all the freeloaders. Is there something going on? What's the matter? Is somebody in your spot? Urkel is acting like she's about ready to lay an egg. And, well, yes, we're trying to figure out where you're gonna do that. Okay. They kept going, or she kept going, stop, going in the corner over here. So what I did is I went ahead and I put a nesting box, but now I think she's PO'd because Patton is in the nesting box. Well, you can go in the chicken coop if you want to. Oh my gosh, there's always a problem. I'm going to show you guys these seasonings that I found, and I'm really excited about them. Both are kosher parve, and I know that that sounds very strange considering that this is a pork flavor. I was really happy to find this though, because I like to make my green beans a certain way. I've got these gorgeous fresh green beans right from my garden, and I want to make them pretty much old style, like a lot of the people that I grew up with. Of course they use ham. Obviously we're not going to do that, but I really want that kind of that same smoky-ish type of flavor, so this is going to be good. I hear the queen is done. You want out? Are you all done? Oh, okay, princess. Come on. Thank you. It's so pretty. All right, come on. Let's go outside. Time to be a chicken. Let's go. Come on. Go on. Come on, Dumpling. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Go talk to your friend out here. She's having a conniption. Go on. All right, bye. She's calm now with Dumpling eating cantaloupe. Yeah, is it good? Alright guys, I am sorry that this was the most boring video in the history of dumpster diving, and the only thing I could pacify you guys with was showing you my food and my refrigerator, and I just think this whole video is gonna be boring, but hey, we live to dive another day. Alright guys, peace be with all of you. Love you guys. Hey, 3 weeks and counting. Wedding's coming soon.